Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, you know me as the van guy. I got a nice van in. It's being prepped by our great staff. All of our units go in, they're checked out, they're cleaned up, and then they go into the shop for further testing. Right now they're going and detailing it. This is a very rare 2006 210 Versatile. It's versatile because it does so many things. Let's take a peek inside and then we'll go around the exterior. It's versatile for the fact you've got 4 chairs up front that turn into twin beds. That's pretty versatile. And then here in the back you've got this huge seating area that turns into a master bed. So you can seat 4 people up front comfortably, shoulder restraints, and you can sleep 4 people very easily. 210 popular. This is a wide body, so it's on a Chevy chassis, and they've moved the doors in the back, so you still have the standard Chevy doors in the back. DV entertainment center here. Little counter extension for while you're doing your prep work. Flat screen TV swings around. Here in the back, you got outlets on both sides, reading lights. The vents for the heat pump come right through here. Temperature controls here. So if you're in the bedroom, you can cool it down, heat it up. Yeah, you can heat it up just by reaching up and touching these. You've got great storage down below and also from the rear. Find a little hole and we'll go out back and see that storage too. So you've got a heat pump so it cools and heats. You have a propane furnace when it gets really cold. And the nice thing about this unit is it does have a fairly nice bathroom, but don't miss this little closet storage area here. They added some shelves in. It's got a cloverleaf table for up front to seat all 4 people. Positive latches. I'm stepping down into the shower area so we don't miss anything. There's the drain. So what does that mean? That means you have an option of standing here and pulling the curtain down here for a little extra room. Or if you want to, peek around the corner here. It's got a nice room enough for your toilet, a vanity, a sink. Another little light here that helps out a lot. Storage down below. And your shower nozzle screws in here. Nice place to hang your towels. 5 cubic foot refrigerator, single door, freezer on top. All your controls are up here, easy to see. Kitchen storage, it does have that. Access to your water pump. Services, hot water heater. You want to run the bypass. Little slide out pantry. That goes around the plumbing. It gives you room to put those long items. Silverware drawer. Recessed for your 2 burners in here. I think that's to cut down on the rattles. Solid surface countertop. Little cubby up above here. Another storage area goes clear in the back. Wait till you see the outside. It's phenomenal. Good storage there. Above the built-in coffee maker, you've got more storage. More storage. In here is storage. And of course, on this side, plus you've got the drop down up above, overhead, so you can pull it down while you're driving and access maps or reading glasses. Maps, who uses maps? Forget your phone. Chevy V8, about 30,000 original miles. I pulled the Carfax, auto check, whatever. Everything's golden on this unit. All your control panels up here. Generator, it's got 88 hours. Direct spark ignition on the hot water. Monitor panel, fuse panels and circuit breakers. We'll hit the disconnect switch. And I always turn around and go out backwards so I don't slip. The other part of the Chevy door is right in here. You can see the release handle. and they've just cut it off, welded it in, so you have a nice Chevy door for an entryway. Full length awning up on top. It is manual, it's not electric. You stick a little hook in here and to run it out. Exhaust intake for your furnace. Easy access to your deep cycle batteries is right here. Awning arms come down and attach to the side for added stability. Nice little storage area in here. Spare tire does drop down from the rear of the unit. You pull this pin, it comes down. It's a good place to put a barbecue. It's got a hookup right here. Got a hookup right here for a barbecue. On and off valve, fill valve for your propane. Pull into the station, just open this up and they'll fill you up. Heat pumps recessed, it's accessible from outside. They don't have to go in if they need to service it. This is one of your fill spots for your freshwater tank. Of course, emergency exit here. You can get out the back if you need to. Got the zip-in screen. And then if you can see this, you've got a deep storage area on both sides. Put stuff down below. And again, a lot of storage for a van. Just like the other side, we've got a duplicate. And as you can see, this is just as they traded it in, which we'll all go through and check it out. Generator exhaust is right here. It's an Onan 2800 watt generator, runs off your fuel tank and goes down to about a quarter, then it won't work anymore. Hot water heater, direct spark ignition, servicing for your refrigerator and the vent for your refrigerator. That's your vent for your upper fan inside. And then this big, huge storage drawer. Yes, you can put golf clubs in here. Or when I introduced it in 2005 at Newport, where we had 100 Roadtreks at a rally, I filled it full of Coronas. And it was a pretty popular idea. Your gray and black handles are right here. Dump stations right down below. Power mirrors, power windows and locks, tilt cruise, and of course we can update the entertainment center, backup cameras, flat screens, all that kind of stuff. Your macerator waste pump switch is here. Another water fill is right here. We went pretty quick. I needed to get this done. Roadtrek Incorporated is re-established. Repeatio bought them out, and they are coming out. They are not going to build on the Chevy chassis. So if you want this rare find, it's just whatever ones that are still out there in the marketplace. If you've got a question, you would call the van guy direct at 541-554-9581. I appreciate your time.